Good morning, everyone. If you're living in Southeast Asia, good morning. And it's 8:45 a.m. Indo-China time. And we're looking at the gold chart, of course, XAU USD. And what you can see here is that it's not really doing very much with the opening of the Asian Pacific market. We'll go to the 15-minute chart. That was the 1-hour chart you were looking at there. We had a gap down, and then it came back up and hit our horizontal support resistance line, horizontal resistance at 39.98. That's in our 4,000 zone. 4,000 being a very psychologically strong number. It tried to break above that several times on the 15-minute chart, but could not. So then started coming down. We had a big bearish candle, but it didn't go very far, and then it started to come back up, and it's been sideways for the last hour or so. This is the time I like to trade, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. It's the opening of Singapore and Shanghai. They're both big gold traders. There's a gold exchange in Shanghai. So that's the time that I like to trade gold, is in the Asian market, 8 to 10 a.m. Indo-China time. Well, so what I'm looking for is we have a horizontal support here at 39.66, but we don't have any indication what the price is going to do, if it's going to go up or it's going to go down. If it should break this diagonal support line, this green line here, then I would expect it's going to continue down further and we'll go to support at 39.66. But what I'm really waiting for, and I don't have on this chart, I really want another horizontal, another trend line, another diagonal trend line. I'll put that one there, and we'll change that to red. And I can even put another one right here on my point A, and put that one right there. Yeah, okay, good. Now, what I would be looking for is if this should break above my red trend line, the diagonal resistance, and then I would expect it to start moving to higher prices. But with this psychological resistance line here around 39.98, around 4,000 in that zone, I really want to see it break above and keep going if we are going to move to higher prices. So right now there's no trade setup. Right now there's no trade setup. I'm not going to take a trade. I'm waiting to see, let the price tell me what it's going to do. And if we look over at the calendar, this is forexfactory.com, and you can see there's a lot of news this week to be coming out. Yesterday there was a little bit of news on the ISM manufacturing PMI, but today there's nothing on the U.S. news. There's the Australian interest rate. The news on the interest rate will be released at 10:30 Indo-China time. All right, and it's not expected that they're going to lower or raise. They're going to keep the interest rate the same. That's the forecast. But then tomorrow on the U.S. we have this high impact news, the ADP non-farm employment change. That can be a mover and shaker. So it might be that the market is waiting to see what's going to happen tomorrow with he doesn't like for the employment data to come out. It shows that the economy is not very good. And Friday we have the non-farm employment change, so we might not see that data either. It's listed as tentative. We just have to wait and see if this news is going to be released or not. You know, it can have a big impact on the movement of gold and the U.S. major pairs, but we don't know if this news will come out or not. So we just have to wait and see. It's not, let me go back to the gold chart. These are not easy times for trading. You have to be patient and ensure that you have a good trade set up before you take a trade. And of course, have a strategy that you trust, but you need to be patient and of course use a stop loss, because yesterday you can see what we had here was just down and up and down and sideways, not very much movement uh, one direction or the other in gold yesterday. So I don't have a trade set up yet. I'm waiting. I don't know. It might go up, it might go down, but the price is not telling me what direction it's going to go. So I'm waiting to see. I'm kind of expecting that it will come up here and touch this 4,000 zone again. And then I have to wait and see, is it going to break above that and continue to higher prices? But I don't know yet. So right now, there's no trade set up. You just have to be patient. It's okay. If we don't trade today, that's fine. No trade is a good trade. But if you do take a trade, be sure you use a stop loss and protect your capital. That's the most important thing. All right, so I'll be here every day now. I've started my live sessions on both Facebook and YouTube. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like, love, and share. I really appreciate that. If you have any comments, leave them below. I will get back to you. Please comment. Let me know, are you trading gold at this time in the Asian Pacific market? Are you trading gold now? Or do you trade in the London market? Which one do you trade? Or maybe you trade the US market. Let me know. And I might start to do a session in the US session, a live session, live trading session in the US session. But let me know. If you're watching on YouTube, leave a comment below the video, and don't forget to like and share. I do appreciate that. So I'll see you same time tomorrow. All right. Have a great day of trading wherever you are in the world.